Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So you must have seen a video in Instagram that is going viral, like people are changing the color of their dress. People are changing the dress, a different dress, and the color of the background, or changing a background from the Instagram application itself, from Instagram stories. So how to do that, I will show you in my mobile screen. So we'll open my Instagram account and we'll click on plus icon and we'll go to story. So here I will select any photo here. So for now I am selecting this. I will click on three dot here, you can see on the top right. I will click on restyle. So you can write it anything, like changing a color of dress, background, whatever you want. So for example, here I want to change the color of the dress. Change the color of dress and click on this arrow icon. So here you have to wait for a couple of seconds. You can see it is changed to blue. Click on this refresh icon. You will get more options, but it will take couple of seconds. So here you can see this color, this color. So multiple shades are there. You have to keep refreshing this and you will get more colors here. So in this way you can do a edit from Instagram story itself. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.